In this video, I will be showing you how to fix ChatGPT. Oops, an error occurred. Let's get started. First, I open my browser and search for ChatGPT in the Google search bar. I click on the official ChatGPT link from the search results to open the platform. Once the page loads, I navigate to the main dashboard. If I encounter an error while using the service, the first step I take to resolve it is checking for browser extension conflicts. I click on the three dots in the top right corner of the browser menu, select Extensions, and click on Manage Extensions. This opens the Extensions page where I can see all active add-ons. I toggle off the switch for any active extensions, like my NordVPN, to ensure they aren't blocking the connection. After disabling them, I close the Extensions tab and return to the ChatGPT tab. If the issue persists, the problem might be on OpenAI's end. To check this, I open a new tab and type OpenAI status in the address bar. I click on the official OpenAI status link from the search results. This dashboard displays the real-time operational status of all their services. I expanded the ChatGPT section to look at the individual components such as conversations, login, and search. Since everything here shows green bars with high uptime, it indicates that the servers are operating normally, meaning the error is likely local to my browser. I close the status page and return to ChatGPT. Since the server is fine, the next troubleshooting step is to clear my browser cache and data. I click on the browser menu icon in the top right, then select Delete Browsing Data. In the pop-up window, I ensure that the time range is set to all time, and select the checkboxes for browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. Then click Delete Data to clear everything out. Once the deletion is complete, the settings page closes automatically. Back on the ChatGPT page, I decided to try opening a clean session. I click on the browser menu once more and select the new incognito window to bypass any remaining cached data. In the incognito window, I search for ChatGPT again and click the first result to open the site. Now, I need to log back into my account. I click Continue with Google, type in my email address, and click Next. I then enter my password and click Next again. The browser authenticates my credentials and redirects me back to the platform. The dashboard loads smoothly, and I can see my previous chats listed on the sidebar. I click on the main input field where it says, "What are you working on?" to confirm that the text box is active and completely functional. By following these steps, disabling extensions, verifying server status, clearing data, and using an incognito window, the error is successfully resolved. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.